What are we gonna do, ate?
Make paper mache.
Paper mache.
Please.
No, paper mache. What?
Volcano.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do first. You have
Paint the
to.
volcano. Is that like painting the volcano?
And then.
I'm gonna.
Let me start that up. Okay? Oh, you do it.
This is hard.
Not bad.
I'm gonna add the block. Dripping.
And then put some more.
Ah!
It's okay, ate.
Oops, sorry.
It's okay, ate.
Ate,
Nasa video, mami.
Mommy, sorry. It's in video. Lola, Mommy, can you do it with me?
I have lipstick. That is already helping you out.
I want you to.
What is that?
Flour.
Baka matapon sa...
Daddy, Mommy, it's just flour.
It's just flour?
Yes,
I think it's something else.
it's blue flour. It's good to touch.
why this is black, teacher? Because his lava became stone. Right now? High five. Good job.
Put more baking soda. You can repeat it. You can
Wait
repeat.
lang. Ha?
You can put
And
again
water,
the
ha? Wait lang. Wait, careful, ha? Yung suka, huwag mo lang papala para makita niyo. Okay.
Okay, may I see that one again?
Vinegar.
Yes, oh, but wait for me. Alright,
Ate, ate.
you're going to go somewhere.
Inside, ha?
Tapos, ulit. How was your
Glasses.
volcano Calixta? Did it, Okay, who said that nothing is happening? Who said that nothing
You got
is
scared?
happening? Who? Did you get a chair?
Woo!